Don't say I didn't warn you, but I believe that artificial intelligence is coming for term and final expense agents. And this is exactly what it's going to look like right here. Like, this is going to be the new term and final expense agent that's on this screen. And you may or may not believe me, but I encourage you to listen to my argument, okay? Here's the thing. Right now, I'm pretty sure you use ChatGPT, and if you don't, you're just like missing out. Like, I don't know, like you're the person who like still reads the newspaper when like everybody went digital. Like, I don't know. I mean, but everybody uses ChatGPT to and if ChatGPT can write your emails, think about this for a moment. What makes you think it can't sell insurance one day? Like, ChatGPT is going to be smarter, faster, have the ability to generate quotes. It's going to have the ability to be able to get somebody coverage within minutes. And when it comes to term and final expenses, the easiest way to go that insurance companies can plug into their websites to just streamline the process and ultimately just fire you as a term or final expense agent so that they don't have to pay you the commission. So the 60, 70, 80, 90, 100% or more commission that they're paying you, insurance companies can save that and keep it in their pocket as they're investing millions of dollars into AI to streamline and automate this process. ChatGPT is going to be able to ultimately do everything. Now, why term and final expense agents are the first target? Like, why are you the first to go? Like, what makes that my belief? Well, think about it. Number one, it's low-hanging fruit. Okay, there's low-hanging fruit. It's simple, it's cheap, and it's straightforward. Okay, and that's the easiest thing to go that technology can utilize. How can they make it to where somebody can go online? In this example here, where Joe, who needs term life insurance, my guy goes online. He goes to boomboominsurance.com, and when he goes there, he goes to this chatbot that's AI. He puts in his information and shoots him back a quote, and then from that point, it runs an application. Within 2 minutes, it tells them what carrier, if it's that particular carrier, then boom, coverage is made, term life insurance is sold, or final expense coverage sold. Insurance company did not have to pay out the coverage. Pay out the commission to you as the agent. Now, you, on the other hand, you know, this is you right here. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my sell pitch. So buy it, maybe, right? Like, you're sales pitching people, and nobody wants that anymore. Like we're past that time. We don't want the sales pitch. You bought leads from like buttholeleads.com because you know all these companies out here got all of these weird lead names because everybody's trying to sell you leads, and now you sound desperate on the line trying to sell something because of the fact that you need to pay your mortgage and you just invested all your money on buying those leads. A customer doesn't want that anymore. Right? And if they can go online to be able to do this themselves, this is why ChatGPT is going to be the replacement if you're still doing term and final expense. So the question is, what do I do from here? Well, the solution is you have to stop selling like it's 2005. Typo here. It said 2025 because I'm in 25. You got to stop selling like it's 2005. You have to master the pivot. Okay, and I actually just did an entire like 2-day masterclass, an IUL masterclass on mastering the pivot, right? And mastering the pivot means personalization, strategy, and education, okay? Those are the 3 things that you're going to need to learn in 2025 and beyond. And you're going to have to learn that with products like IULs and annuities and other advanced markets. That is the solution, learning advanced market. IULs, annuities, etc. So the action step for you is learn IULs and become an expert at it. Learn annuities and become an expert at it, right? That's number 1. And number 2, position yourself as an educator. So we live in a time where education is very key. Educate people in the advanced markets, and you're going to start attracting those people who are looking for different options like retirement, etc. that I'm going to talk about in the next slide. And number 3, offer personalization. Because artificial intelligence can't do personalization like on a very relationship level. Artificial intelligence is going to be hard to replace IULs because of the complexity and the strategies behind IULs. And artificial intelligence can't educate in the way that like I'm educating you right now on YouTube, right? So this is why you want to go into this route. And yeah, sure, 2005, 2000 might have been a day and age of the IMOs that sold term insurance and final expense insurance, but we're not in that time anymore. We've moved on. The world has moved on, and it's time for you as an agent to move on as well to be able to protect yourself and your business. So the money for agents in 2025, show me the money, I'll tell you. The money is number one, the strategy like we talked about, building tax-free wealth. You teach people the strategy around how to build tax-free wealth, and they're going to come to you. Number two, legacy. Teaching people how to structure legacy plans, okay? Delivering legacy plans for your clients, right? For their children and being able to pass down that wealth. Like, that's going to be extremely key, and that's why they're going to come to you. Number three, funding retirement, right? Teaching retirement planning to clients. You do these three things using advanced market products like IULs, annuities, etc. Then you're going to be able to make money as a life insurance agent in 2025 and beyond, and AI will not replace you. Okay, so what have we learned today? Number one, we have to learn that we've accepted that term and final expense agents are expiring. Number two, pivoting to IULs in advanced markets. And number three, knowing where the money is located in 2025 and beyond. With that being said, I want to end you off with this, is that like if you're struggling in understanding, what advanced market is, how to sell it, or you don't have anybody to help you, I literally did an entire 2-day masterclass, literally teaching agents how to pivot into advanced market, how to do advanced market, the sales scripts behind advanced market, everything that you need to know so you could be up and running in 2025 with hopes that you don't go out of business because of artificial intelligence. So I put a lot of work into that 2-day masterclass. It's over 2 hours long, and you're going to get all the value that you can. But with that said, you really should think about adjusting your business so AI does not destroy you in 2025 and beyond. Peace.